Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am showing off all my new releases for the month of February. So stick around if you want to see each of these new collections. Firstly, here is the freebie for the month of February. So every order placed in February will get this freebie. This measures 2.25 inches by 3.5 inches and you get the 4 paint swatches. You get 3 deco stickers, a script sticker, and 2 circles. So it's enough really to decorate a page in your journal. The first collection is the Rusty Pink Leaves collection, and this is printed on the clear matte sticker paper, but you can also purchase this in the white matte sticker paper. And the influence or inspiration for this particular collection was my current favorite ink, which is the Taranishi Opera Rose, and I really wanted to try and replicate that in a collection, and I think I did. I hope I did. So in this collection you have the leaves. There's 4 stickers on that sheet. Then you have the circles, and there's some really cute effects like the watercolor dots and splatters in there as well, which I really like. And then the paint swatches, and then the mini leaves. So you can buy each sheet separately or together as a collection. The next collection is my Watercolor Clovers collection, and this time last year I also did a Clovers collection, but I wanted to kind of improve upon that and do more of a watercolor effect on these stickers. So with the Watercolor Clovers you get 7 deco stickers, and just looking at the more watercolor effects on those. And then the paint swatches, so you've got a bit of an ombre and paint splatter effect on those as well. And then the circles, again with the color shifting as well as the paint splatters, and then the quote and a washi sheet. So again, these are available in either clear matte or white matte sticker paper, and you can buy individually or separately. The next collection is my Winter Wildflowers, and I have done Wildflowers before. The first one I believe I did last summer, and the colors were a lot brighter, and then I did one for fall, and those colors were obviously autumn inspired, and this one is more, I feel like, bold pastel. I don't know how you can put those two together, but I feel like they are more wintry colors, and I love just the different effects for this particular color scheme. And I've added the watercolor splatters in there as well. So you've got the deco sheet, and then you've got the paint swatches. I love ordering the paint swatches on the clear matte because then you can see what it looks like or what text you've written underneath. And then you've got the circles as well as the quote and washi sheet. Really like the color scheme of this collection. And then to continue the theme of more winter going into spring florals, we have the Snowdrops, and I love the look of Snowdrops in real life. If anybody has ever seen that movie, oh my gosh, I'm going to forget the name of the movie. I am totally going to forget the name of the movie, but they feature snowdrops in there. But anyway, I wanted to create kind of a watercolor version of those snowdrops. So you get 4 deco stickers. You have your snowdrop swatches, so you have kind of the bluey purple as well as the green. And then the circles, they do kind of look like moons with those splatters on them. And then you have the quote and a washi. Again, the quote itself, the word baby, is also hand lettered by me. So these are all hand drawn, hand painted by me in Procreate. So you can again get this collection either individually or as a collection, and you can get it in clear matte or white matte sticker paper. And the last collection is something that is not normally my style, and I was a little unsure of it when I first drew them out, but they are the Mystic Moths. I don't know if it's the right time of year for them, but I thought, you know what, these look really cute, and some of them have like, you know, a bit more of like a Valentine's Day feel with the red, but then they also have a bit more of the neutral. So I feel like this could really work in any circumstance, and it doesn't have to be fall or winter or Valentine's Day to be able to use these. So these are the Mystic Moths collection, and on the deco sheet here you've got the more neutral colored moss, and then you have like the pinky red, and then you have a few of the deco to go with it, and then you have the matching swatches. I always think it's important to include the matching swatches because I have a hard time trying to find the right highlighter or mild liner to use in my spreads to match the stickers that I'm using. And then the circles, again, I use these for deco in the in my journaling spreads and things like that. I absolutely love them. And then lastly, the quote and washi. So really a smaller version of the deco and then creating washi with the deco here. Absolutely love it. Absolutely fantastic. So that is the Mystic Moths collection. So there are 5 new collections in my shop coming out this Friday, February 10th at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I did want to do a few more collections, but time got away from me. But also, I really want to, when I do a collection, dedicate the proper time to really master the technique, but also get the artwork the way that I wanted to. And I'm really happy with these 5 collections, as well as the freebie that goes with your order. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments below, and whether you prefer white matte or clear matte sticker paper. So once again, these come out on Friday, February 10th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and you can use the word LOVE15 for 15% off your order until 11:59 p.m. Monday. What day is that? February 13th. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.